Want to hack your mind for quicker weight loss? Stay tuned. Your mind is your most powerful tool. Both your conscious and subconscious mind can help you shed those extra pounds. First, visualize your goals. Picture yourself healthier, happier, and more energetic. This sets a clear target for your subconscious. Next, use positive affirmations. Tell yourself, I am strong, I am healthy, and I can do this. Repeating these daily rewires your brain for success. Also, practice mindful eating. Focus on your food, savor every bite. This helps you recognize when you're full and prevents overeating. And don't forget about sleep. A good night's rest boosts your metabolism and aids in weight loss. Lastly, stay consistent. Small, regular habits add up over time. Trust the process and your mind will help you reach your goals. So, start today. Visualize, affirm, and stay mindful. Your mind has the power to transform your body. You got this. You can get Richard Trillian Mante's weight loss book called You Will Keep Struggling to Lose Weight Until You Try This 4-Step Method of Losing Weight from his website richardmante.com and also from Amazon. Kindly support this channel by pressing the like button and subscribe to get future awesome videos. Thank you for watching.